quick video. That mushroom bag I had grew amazing mushrooms. One of the mushrooms was like this big. And then afterwards, I took all the mushrooms off and they were gone. And it looked like just a white fungus bag. And I went and I looked at it and I said, there has to be some more life in this. So I soaked it in water and I closed it up. And honey, we're getting a second round of mushrooms coming in. So if you have one of these bags, don't just get rid of it so quickly. Give it some time, and because the bag was bigger, so it was able to have humidity in it. But since I cut my bag to get the mushrooms out, so that I could get a little more humidity, I just closed it back this way. And it just made more mushrooms again. So it keeps on kicking. I'm quite pleased with this. And what my plan is to figure out how to start buying some of the, I don't know what you call it. I don't want the spores, the solution, so I can inoculate some bags myself and start making my own fungus bags. I mean my own mushroom bags with some of the spores that they have. So I can have a few different varieties because I want to try lion's mane and reishi and morels and everything else. I kind of like that smell. When I first opened the bag it stank, but I guess that was because of that bean hole stuff that they were using, but the smelling mushrooms nice. Alright, you guys subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them below. Thanks.